VeChain (VET) by and large is a coin that generally is at present exchanged at $0.017722 per unit. With the market capitalization of $1,288,643,639, that explicitly makes it a mid-position digital currency in an unpretentious manner. Computerized resources like VeChain truly have currently sort of turned into the point of convergence of consideration for very retail financial backers and examiners, yet additionally for genuinely huge institutional financial backers, who especially see VeChain and the remainder of digital currencies as a kind of compelling truly fence against expansion that takes an in every practical sense weighty cost for the worldwide economy, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. So, we should zero in on the VeChain market, its for the most part current standings, as well as the midterm and certainly long-haul cost expectation that in a real sense depends on the readings of our really exclusive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, in an extremely large way. As of now, the cost of VeChain really remains at $0.017722, and this specific computerized resource generally stands firm on the 38th footing in the worldwide digital money, fundamentally positioning in a significant manner. For sort of your data, the very positioning of each and every digital money certainly is vigorously dependent on its essentially current market capitalization and cost, and really is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most cutting-edge data on the resource being referred to. Likewise, to generally get in every practical sense better especially handle of the market circumstance, and sort of figure out the by and large broad bearing of the pattern, or to generally enlist its non-appearance, it's additionally essential to dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey, which truly is genuinely huge. Yesterday, on September 15th, the cost of VeChain truly remained at $0.017004 at the end of the very everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 2.70% contrast when contrasted with the ongoing cost. 7 days prior, on September 9th, the VeChain market explicitly remained at $0.015680 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which truly is genuinely huge. As the outcome, the cost generally moved by 0%, corresponding to its truly present standing. A month prior, on August 16th, VeChain was valued at $0.016868, which certainly concurred with our cost expectation for that truly specific period. Contrasted with the especially present place of VeChain, it addresses a 4.65% cost move. At the point when it generally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves certainly more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly by and large fame with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money brokers view market capitalization as a truly key pointer to explicitly be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. It explicitly is determined by duplicating the very absolute number of coins that truly are as of now available for use, coursing supply, by the ongoing cost of VeChain, which, as currently referenced, by truly remains at $0.017722, or so they certainly thought. Considering that recipe, we truly have determined the truly current market capitalization of VeChain to be at $1,288,643,639, which legitimizes its place as the 38th coin among those very present on the cryptographic money market, which generally shows that yesterday, on September 15th, the cost of VeChain remained at $0.017004 at the end of the by and large day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 2.70% contrast when contrasted with the very current cost. 7 days prior, on September 9th, the VeChain market for the most part remained at $0.015680 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they basically thought. Yesterday, on September 15th, the market capitalization of VeChain in every practical sense remained at $1,236,463,459. Keep going weak. On September 9th, the for the most part aggregate sum of commonly capital gave to VeChain truly was laid out at $1,140,134,548. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 16th, in a real sense shows that VeChain truly had a market capitalization of $226,551,949 in a huge manner. As its name proposes, sort of most extreme stock alludes to the roof measure of coins that will at any point explicitly be mined or printed inside the really comparing blockchain network in an unobtrusive manner. When that sum in a real sense is gotten, the framework generally stops the age of new coins for grade in an essentially significant manner. The most extreme stock sort of is normally shown in the source code of the fundamental convention, as well as the white paper, which essentially is genuinely critical. The commencement towards the most extreme stockpile normally sort of starts with the development of the first, beginning, block on the blockchain in an unobtrusive way. In our case, VeChain has a truly most extreme stockpile of 86,712,634,466 coins, or so they really thought. This specific component of a kind of specific coin can in a real sense be considered as offense against expansion, in light of the fact that the foreordained issuance rate joined with the stockpile roof frequently delivers the coin deflationary once the in every practical sense greatest stockpile explicitly is reached, and makes a pre-modified shortage of a given resource, which makes the circumstances for a considerably more unsurprising and sort of consistent cost appreciation, which is very huge. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made, and in a real sense, are either flowing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' sort of cool wallets in an unobtrusive manner. The truly complete inventory likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate. Pretty further appearance. How computerized resources like VeChain basically have currently especially turned into the point of convergence of consideration for entirely financial backers and examiners, yet in addition for in every practical sense, enormous institutional financial backers who sort of see VeChain and the remainder of digital currencies as a certainly powerful basically support against expansion that takes a sort of weighty cost for the worldwide economy. It can fundamentally measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that generally is public on the securities exchange in an in every practical sense significant way. The truly complete stockpile of VeChain as of now for the most part remains at 85,985,041,177 VED in a fundamentally enormous manner. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock in every way that really matters is the most usually utilized in every way that really matters metric for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in an unpretentious manner. It compares with the especially the best estimation of the truly in general number of coins that generally are public on cryptographic money trades and fundamentally add to their liquidity, or so they for the most part thought. Their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that by and large are vested, marked in lovely shrewd agreements, secured in computerized wallets, or really put unavailable for general use in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The circling supply fundamentally is essentially what could be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the financial exchange in a sort of significant manner. At the present time, the circling supply of VeChain sort of is assessed